welcome to my video.
Hi kids, welcome to another Jazib Toys giveaway video. So Jazib, what are you giving away today?
Buzz.
Oh wow, it's a really nice Buzz Lightyear toy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He can go in space.
Yeah, it's a spaceman. It's a space toy. So he does this karate action as well.
But it's in the packet.
Yeah, on the back there's a button. If you press it, it does this karate chop. Yeah, hoa!
Like this. You have to move like this hand like this.
Yeah, he can do that as well. Before we open it, kids, if you want to win this toy, just subscribe the channel and comment on this video. Then you can win this toy. So Jazib, let's open it.
Okay. We just open it, right?
Yeah.
Hello, kids.
Here.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm have a knife and I'm eating something.
You're chopping vegetables. Yeah?
Yeah.
Chuck, 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 chuck.
And his face is moving there.
Yeah, he wants to look at where he's chopping.
Yeah.
So Jazib, do you like it?
Yeah.
So what's next?
This big toy just where next is playing.
Yeah, let's play with it.
It's a very big toy.
Yeah.
We're going down now, kids. Down, down, down. Down. Then. Oh.
Yahoo! It's playing time.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. La 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 la
La la la la la la la la.
la 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 la.
Yeah, I can jump so high.
Me also.
Oh my god. Let's try it.
Okay,
Ready, steady,
there you
go.
go.
Wow. Ready, steady,
There you
go.
go.
Whoa. Oh my god. You guys can jump so fast
Yeah,
and so high.
yeah.
What's happening over here?
What?
Who's making this noise?
Nobody.
I don't want to hear anything. All of you, you're grounded. Go inside and nobody's allowed to play anymore.
Wah, wah.
Yeah, stay here.
No,
Nobody's allowed to play anymore.
we are not. This is noise.
Yeah, I know this is not nice. I want you guys to stay here.
No, we can escape.
No, you can't escape. I'm gonna watch you guys. I'm gonna watch you all the time. Oh my god, oh, it's been whole day and we haven't played anything. Oh yeah, I'm too sad.
Me too. Me too.
Oh, I'm so tired. I just wanna go to sleep. Okay, let's sleep for a bit. Nobody's escaping here. To infinity and beyond. I have to make sure no toys are in trouble. Oh my god, those toys look very sad. Hey, what happened here?
We said he is a bad guy.
But he's sleeping. You guys can escape now.
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna have a look. Escape, quick,
Okay.
quiet. Huh? What happened here? Where are my toys? Where is everybody? Hey, you can't keep toys like this. They have to play and they want to enjoy their day. But they make so much noise. I'm gonna trap them again. Not if I stop you. Yeah. Nobody messes with my toys. To infinity and beyond. I enjoyed playing with you today, Jazib. Here's a surprise for you.
Oh, thank you. A Playmobil.
Yeah, it's a nice Playmobil toy.
It's cold a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, it is puzzles. I'm going to enjoy the puzzles. We're done, kids. And kids, look at this. It's the same or not? Just look, okay?
Thank you for watching our video. Kids, if you wanna win this toy, just subscribe the channel and comment on this video. We'll be picking up 2 winners for this toy. So make sure you subscribe. Till next time, bye!
Hey kids, if you wanna win this toy, just subscribe the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.